And so now we need to install the Feeds Tamper module, which will allow us to rewrite the data in the columns in our CSV file before it gets inputted into the field data. So I'm going to jump over to the browser real quick, and let's do a Google search for Drupal Feeds Tamper. I'm going to click on this first entry here, which is drupal.org/project/Feeds Tamper. So this is the module that we want. This allows us to do rewriting in a lot of different ways as we import content into our site. Now we're going to do some more complicated things later on, like importing a set of tags that are separated with commas as one of the fields in our CSV file that we import. For now, we're just going to use a simple rewriting setting. But first of all, let's get this installed. If you're going to use Drush, we're going to use this Feeds Tamper project name. So I'm just copying that and I'm going over to Drush. But if you want to install this the traditional way, here's the information that you need to do that. So I'm going to hop over to Drush here, and I'll type Drush, DL for download, Feeds Tamper. And you can see here that it includes two modules, Feeds Tamper UI and Feeds Tamper. So just like in several of our previous modules, like context and feeds, we're going to enable the UI part of the module set as well as the basic module. So I'm going to enable both through Drush here. First, I'm going to enable Feeds Tamper, and I'm going to type Y. And then I'm going to enable Feeds Tamper UI, and I'll type Y too. Okay, now if we go to our modules listings page, I'm going to go back to the browser and to the modules page. If we click on Feeds here in the left-hand side, you see we now have Feeds Tamper and Feeds Tamper Admin UI enabled.